Hello everyone, welcome back to Eric and the Web, our JavaScript Code Wars series. Today we're going to solve a problem from Code Wars, an online platform that provides coding challenges. This problem is often used as a warm-up exercise for coding interviews, so let's dive into solving problem 1 together. I think first, obviously, we need to understand the problem, which states that we need to find the sum of multiples of 3 or 5 below a given number. If a given number is negative, we should return a 0. Also, one thing to understand is if a number is a multiple of 3 and 5, we should count it once only. So obviously we need to start by checking if a number is below 0 or negative, and at that point we'd return a 0. And we move on to initializing the sum variable, which will store mainly the result. I think we'll just name it sum, make it equal to 0, basically just to store the result over there. We now move on to the part where we write basically the large part of the solution, which is writing down a for loop that basically would need to check. So our loop needs to iterate through numbers that are below the given number, which could be any number. In that way, so we get to iterate. That's a mistake. Let me put that inside the bracket, and yeah. Oh no, goodness, I always make the same mistake. Curly braces. So inside the for loop, what we need to do is check if the current number is a multiple of 3 or 5. So how do we do that? We'll write an if statement over here, and basically our if statement will be running a check to see if each number is a multiple of 3 or 5. This sign is called so if it is, we basically add that to our sum value, and we get to finally return the value. So yeah, that's pretty much what you need to do. The first attempt fails. I'm pretty sure I'm right, but just don't know where I pretty much went wrong. But no worries, let's have a look at our code again. I'm just trying to figure out where I could have been wrong. Let me have a go through and try to figure out. I'm not sure. What does it say? It doesn't actually say much. I made a mistake over there. Yeah, that's supposed to be I. Let's run that again. There we go. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. You can actually check different solutions on the same problem. Different developers would have a different syntax or how they solve the problem. Like over here, it's basically, depending on experience and knowledge on how to solve this problem, everyone would have a different approach to it. Anyway, happy coding and hope to see you again.